Hey, how's everybody doing today? Got a new Mustang video for you. This is a real simple one, but real important. I'm going to show you how to replace the center console lid. So something gets damaged, worn, definitely needs to be replaced. In most cars in general, you can see how mine's splitting over here a little bit. Plastic's even cracked and chipped. When you try and close it, it's not that neat and flush. It's even warped a little bit. So real simple mod. I'll take care of it for you guys, show you how to replace it. Then you'll be on your way and good to go. You know. Okay guys, step one, just open up the lid of your center console. And you can see there's actually just 4 screws on that latch there. You're actually just going to take those out. Not too hard at all. They actually come out really easy. You see number 1 already gone. I'll show you number 2. And that's all you're going to do for all 4 of them, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, first I want to show you the new lid. Looks to be in great shape, nice and clean, that's what we want. Look at the bottom there, you got the little rectangle push button. Go up to the top, that's where the 4 screws were. Now some units might come with a latch or not. You can just take it off, use the same screws, then use the latch that's already on your center console. I think that would be the easier way to do it. I was surprised that they sell these on Amazon for about $100. Can't go wrong with that. I'll put a link in the description where you guys can purchase one. You know, you're cruising your Mustang all the time. Why not give your elbow a nice rest? You know? Okay guys, so I recommend having the screws already inside the bracket here. Makes it easy. Then you're just going to line up the lid and just screw them in the holes. And then just put number 2 in here. And eventually you'll get all 4 done and you'll be good to go. Okay guys, so now we got the new lid looking pretty good, nice and smooth and clean. Open that up, take a look-see. Looking good, looking good. There's where the 4 screws are put in, nice and tight. Now the lid closes nice and smooth. So like I said, I really recommend getting one of these for your Mustang or really any automobile when they're worn. You'll thank yourself. Your elbow will probably thank you. They also sell nice Mustang cover lids, which I saw. I mean, they're just the covers. It'll have like Mustang, Ford emblems. A lot cheaper. Maybe this is just worn and you just want the cover. Maybe you want to do both. Either way, I'll put links in the description where you can purchase them on Amazon. Any comments, you know, leave in the comment box below. And have a great day, you know.